In Portland, while residents were bracing for the impact of Hurricane Melissa, thieves broke into a business establishment in Port Antonio and made away with more than $1 million worth of goods and other items. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Imagine dealing with the stress of a hurricane and then finding out that you've been robbed. Well, that's the reality of a business owner here in Port Antonio, Portland.
Noticed that the grill was cut, and then I checked to see what's happening, pushed the door, come inside, noticed that everything was gone out of the bar. It was like devastating. I couldn't really believe what happened.
How much worth are things we're talking about?
Right now we are looking at roughly 1.5 or even more.
Look at the counter. Liquors gone. I'm gonna ask my videographer to walk with me to show you as well inside this kitchen. The robbers came inside here. They removed a microwave from off this counter. They moved a gas cylinder from around here. And if that was not already bad, they went inside the refrigerator and removed all the meat kind from outside.
Stress level right now is over my head. The stress level is over my head. Knowing that Melissa is coming, and we don't know what damage it's going to impact on the country right now. And you never know if my house may be blown down. We don't know. No one knows what's going to take place. And knowing that we have this to deal with, plus you have your personal thing at home to deal with, it's just devastating.
The matter has been reported to the police, but to date, no one has visited the scene. The owner of the establishment is hoping they'll do so immediately after Hurricane Melissa passes. Reporting from Port Antonio, Portland, I'm Anthony Lugg for TVJ News.